I am Dr. K. Shanti, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to present here about the fundamental programming structures in Java, that is commands, data types as well as variable. So here the student will be able to apply the different types of command, data types as well as variables in Java program. First, let us see about the different types of Java command. So there are three types of Java command, that is the single line command, multi-line command and augmentation command. So the Java commands are the statement that are not executed by the compiler or the interpreter. So it gives the information or explanation about the variable, methods or class or any statement that are available in the program. First, let us see about the single line command. It is used to command only single line. Okay. So this single line command begins with double slash and ends with end of line. Okay. So the example we have given here, public class example, public static void main. Here u is a variable. So this line is not executed. Okay. See here, this is the single line command, double slash. Again, here is a double slash, it is a single line command. Okay. So if the program is executed, then just we are getting the output. These statements are not executed. Definitely it is shown in different color. Okay. So this is a single line statement. Next is the multi-lines command. So in multi-line command, the statement begins with slash star and ends with star slash. Okay, so in this program here, see to here, that is the command line is here and ends here. So these statements are not executed since it starts with slash star and ends with star slash. Okay, so if the program is executed, then here also see the statements are in this color. Okay, so these statements will not be executed. It acts as a multi-line command. Next is the documentation command. So these type of commands are generally when you are writing code for project and software packages. Okay, so it starts with double slash double star and ends with star slash. Okay, so it is the documentation command. Next, let us see about the data types. So data types, we are having different data types. So first is the, so here we are having primitive and non-primitive. Then under primitive we are having boolean and numeric. Under numeric we are having character, integer, and in integer we are having integral, we are having integer and floating point, and the floating we are having float, double, integer we are having byte, short, int, long. Okay, so non-primitive, that is the string array or the non-primitive data type. So primitive data type, Java defines 8 primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, character, float, double and boolean. This group include byte, short, int and long, and all of these have signed positive and negative value. Okay, so the tabular column shows the name of the data type and with in bits as well as the range. Long 64-bit, integer 32-bit, short 16-bit and byte is 8-bit. Next, floating point, it is also known as real number, and here it includes float as well as double, and the range is for double is 64-bit and for float it is 32-bit. Next is the character. In character, the includes character that represents symbol in character like letters as well as number. It is 16-bit type and the range they have given 0 to 65536, no negative character. Boolean, this group include boolean, it has only two possible values, that is true or false. So let us see an example here. So here integer x is defined as 10 and the real number it is defined as 10.23 and character it is defined as z equal to, within quotes it is represented y. If we are declaring a variable as character, it can accept only one character. So the program is executed and we have got the output here. So integer that is 10, float that is 10.23 and character y. Okay. Next is the variable. A variable is a holder that holds the value while Java program is executed. So here this is the syntax for variable, that is data type variable values. So that is int a comma b comma c, where a, b, c are the variables. Next we are having different types of variables, that is local variable, instance variable and static variable. So first let us see about the local variable. So these variables are declared inside the method, constructor or block. Then these are created when the method and constructor or block are created, and it will be destroyed once that method or constructor or block is exits. Local variable are only visible within the declared method. Okay, then as a specifier they cannot use the local variable. Next, instance variable. These are created when the space is allocated for an object in a heap. And it is using the keyword new and destroyed when the object is destroyed. This instance variable holds the value that must be referenced by more than one method, constructor or block. The instance variable can be declared in a class level before and after the use. And this instance variable cannot be declared as static. Next is the static variable. Constants are variables that are declared as public, private, final and static. Static variable can be stored in the static memory. Visibility is same as instant variable. However, most of the static variable are declared public since they must be available for users for the class. And the default value is 0, and for boolean it is false, and object reference it is null. And this static variable cannot be local. Okay, so these are the thing about the variables. Next, this is the example. See here, example 2, area. Then a is given, a value is 10 and b value is 20. Then area of triangle a and b are multiplied, and after executing this program using the compiler, then we have got the output as 200. The same program is executed and we have got the output 200. Okay, thank you.